Hi, Vadim is here. I'll guide you through everything in this tutorial very quickly. If the video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Let me share with you how to remind attendees about upcoming meeting by attaching iCalendar ICS file in Microsoft Outlook. When you have an important meeting coming up, especially on Monday morning at 8:30 a.m., like this particular one, you would want to make sure participants do attend. To export this meeting as iCalendar ICS file, navigate to File, click Save As, and save as ICS file type. By default, saved file has the same meaning as meeting invite. The cool thing is, iCalendar ICS format works across Outlook, Apple Calendar, and Google Calendar. Now I can go back to Outlook, create email reminder, attach the ICS file, and send it to all meeting participants. All I need to do now is add a subject, indicate that this is a friendly reminder, write a quick reminder, providing some additional information about the meeting, and add the recipients. You can send it immediately by clicking the Send button, or you can automate the delivery by choosing Options and then selecting Delay Delivery. The good idea might be to send it 30 minutes to an hour before the actual meeting start. Once you're done, make sure to click the Send button. The best thing is that regardless of the platform, people see this meeting invite on their calendar. Even though the invite was sent as ICS attachment from Outlook, you can see it in Gmail as well as in Google Calendar. This approach is best for external audiences, large distribution lists, cross-org invites, and marketing-style reminders. And the best thing is that it works everywhere. It keeps time zone intact, and it's easy for recipient to update their calendar entries with the new information.